Hello, everyone. The video shows how to integrate YiLuProxy with Surfinite antidetect browser. Firstly, configure YiLuProxy settings as shown video. Then run Surfinite. Click New Profile of the Profile tab. Enter a profile name. Then you can set operating system, language, WebRTC and other parameters. Then set proxy. Click Manual. Select SOCKS5 proxy type.
Enter host IP address 127.0.0.1.
Then connect a proxy IP. For fixed port 1080, right-click an IP and connect. Then enter port 1080. Then test the proxy. The IP is the same as the IP connected in YiLuProxy. For multi-port forward, right-click an IP and select a port. Then change the port and test. For dynamic IPS, you can also use port forwarding.
Select rotating residential or data center IP, choose the second IP format.
And set the number of generating IPS. Then select a location. Click Refresh. Right-click an IP and select a port. Change the proxy port and test again.
The location of the IP is that one selected in YiLuProxy.
You can slow right-click an IP and copy IP information. Paste it. Then save. Run it. Enter iplocation.com to check the IP address. The location of the IP is that one selected in YiLuProxy. Okay, the video is over. Thank you for watching and subscribing.